the possible promotion here in Timor-Leste. I'm planning to have a Manny Pacquiao promotion here in Timor-Leste either this year or next year.
Maybe we want to know why you are coming to
I came here for invitation. They invited me, and supposedly last 2016 they invited me, but I was busy, and I already have a commitment with other countries. So this time around they invited me, so I'm available. So I'm here.
Mr. How do you see the development of boxing
so far? That's what we're trying to do now today. We're going to visit its gym to look at training and how I can help, suggest and advise.
And what is the message for the Prime Minister to you? The message for our Prime Minister to you?
We have a good conversation, and the Prime Minister's he loves sports. Thank you.
Thank you. Manny.
Langsung agora, bom dia. Tenho que cumprimentar a Digi. A me consegue. Digi, a me consegue. Digamos. Dia malu karena televisão tem uma pos. Ida nema ka Boxista Internasional nebe Rússia nação Filipina. Mai hasoro malu ho primeiro-ministro Kairala Xanana Gusmao e Palácio Governo. Usi Palácio Governo hal Sabina Sansa ho nebelo no vai magno filahikes ba estúdio televisão tem uma pos bebora dele.